Unsuccessful auto recloser. A single phase converted to a phase-to-phase fault. To simulate this in state sequencer, state 1 is configured as healthy state with healthy current and voltage for 1 second. State 2, an R-phase fault is created. In state 3, we are going to create a phase-to-phase fault. For both phases, the voltage is reduced and this state is for 50 milliseconds. And the next state again, it switches to R-phase fault. So, in material of the fourth state, the relay should go for lockout. So let me reset the relay and play this state sequencer. So we can observe that zone 1 has operated and auto recloser is unsuccessful. Lockout has occurred. Now let us analyze the event record. Using the Siemens Digsy software, the event record is downloaded. The spontaneous events list shows the sequence of auto recloser lockout during dead time. Parameter number 00507 shows the trip command in R phase. Parameter number 02839 shows the dead time started at 99 milliseconds. And it's turned off at 1097 milliseconds as highlighted. The difference between the dead time off and the dead time on results in 998 milliseconds, which is approximately 1 second as configured in the relay under Group A parameter number 3456. The relay tripped in R phase in zone 1. Within 1 millisecond, auto recloser is in progress as per parameter number 02801. Further, another Y phase to earth fault occurred as per parameter number 03673, and this resulted in 3-phase trip and auto recloser unsuccessful.